Hey guys, welcome to Investing with Jess. Retire early. I hope everyone is doing great. So, this is just a quick video, guys, about MSTY. So, if you are investor of MSTY from YieldMax, I believe you will be interested in some kind of information or some sharing. So, I think some of you guys already know that the dividends payout schedule for MSTY is now transitioned from monthly into weekly basis. So um, starting last Friday, I just received my weekly dividends for 60 cents per share. So as some of you also know, guys, that I have 2,000 shares of MSTY. So it added about 103 shares now in my portfolio. So I'm happy with that dividend rate so far. And although the stocks, the underlying stocks strategy is kind of course volatile for the past few weeks, but still I think the dividends that we receive is still good for our investment. So if you are investing in MSTY, please share your thoughts, guys. Let me know how many shares do you have in your investment, and so far how long have you been receiving your dividends, and what's your plan? Are you planning to invest or reinvest your dividends, or you're basically using it for your um, bills or some kind of savings, right? So I think some of us have a different plans and of course investment goals for our retirement. But for me, I'm keeping my 2000, now it's 2103 shares for at least 5 years and maximum of 10 years, because I'm really looking forward for the um, compounding interest or accumulation of shares through the dividends. And aside from MSTY, I'm also investing with other individual stocks, which I'm going to share with you in my other videos. But for today, just a quick update, guys. If you don't know yet, that we are now going to receive our dividends in a weekly basis. So I hope the dividend rate either will be consistent, or if the stock price of strategy will continue to kind of go higher, then of course the share price of MSTY also will go up. And I think if you are a long-term investor, this short-term price fluctuation is not really important, as long as the overall growth of the stocks and the ETF is at least progressive, right? Like going higher in the few years or so, and we are keep on receiving our dividends, then I think that's really good for our investment. And that will help us retire early. So if you are having the same goal as mine to retire early, please let me know, guys, your stories, why you are investing in YieldMax ETFs. And if you're already retired, let us know, guys, what are the success strategies or stories that you have in terms of investing, not only in ETFs or some other assets as well, right? So what are the good investing tips that you can share in the group, so that everyone can learn and of course apply the same in our investment strategy, so that we will be successful. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. If you are new to this channel, I would really like, or I would really appreciate if you can subscribe and share this to your friends or families. And if you are already my existing subscriber, thank you very much for keep watching. And I'm also happy that you are at least you keep visiting the channel, and uh, please engage and share your comments in my videos. And all of those comments, I'm reading them, and I'm sharing them also in the group. So thank you very much, guys. I will talk to you in my next video. God bless.